Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 9th, and this is my analysis of the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 that we're currently in. I still think the wave 3 may even take out this previous high before we get that bigger wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely still think we're in an uptrend. I am kind of wondering if this is like a subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 3. I think the major wave 1 and 2 is down here, and this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. And I still think it needs to go up more, but we may be getting kind of close to the end of this wave 3 within the next couple weeks. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a very, very nice entry on the yen pairs this week. It does kind of have a little bit of a double top way up here, so we do have to be cautious. We may potentially get a bigger pullback. I do still think there's a very good likelihood that it will keep on going up, but I do kind of expect that there is a very good likelihood for a pullback before it does continue the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because it looks to me like this is a 1, 2, and this is a 3. Kind of seems like to me this move down would be like a wave 4, then it would go up at least one more time for a wave 5. So on a shorter term basis, I mean, I do think it is going to go down probably for the next few trading days, but I do believe that move down is going to be a correction. It's probably going to go down to a Fibonacci retracement level and most likely continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think it is going to go down, break structure, which it's pretty much already doing because we have almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. So with this break of structure, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and under, then you could definitely be looking for shorts at the end of the next correction, which, like I always say, this is either a 1 or an A, this is either a wave B or a wave 2. If you get short at the end of a wave B or a wave 2, you can trade the wave C, or if it turns into a wave 3, then that's going to be like a bonus trade. You end up making more money. Either way, the next trade for me would be at the end of this next correction, which would be a B or a 2. And if it does turn out to be a wave C, then it would probably go down to a Fibonacci level, make a big impulsive turn to the upside, which would be an exit for my short and a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.